Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you are doing well. Today's discussion about computer science operating system MCQs part 2 26. Which of the following operating system read and react in actual time? A. Quick response system. B. Real-time system. C. Time sharing system. D. Batch processing system. So the right answer is B. Real-time system. A page fault occur when A. The deadlock happens, B. The segmentation starts, C. The page is found in the memory, D. The page is not found in the memory. So the right answer is D. The page is not found in the memory. The basic input-output system BIOS resides in A. RAM, B. ROM, C. The CPU, D. Memory cache. So the right answer is B. ROM. The maximum size of a write file is limited to only A. Name of the file, B. Extension of the file, C. The amount of memory in your computer, D. All of above. So the right answer is C. The amount of memory in your computer. Which of the following is drop down list? A. List, B. Combo box, C. Text area, D. None. So the right answer is B. Combo box. Recently deleted files are stored in A. Recycle bin, B. Desktop, C. Taskbar, D. My computer. So the right answer is A. Recycle bin. An operating system version designed for use with a media center PC is Microsoft Windows XP. A. Home Edition, B. Media Center Edition, C. Tablet PC Edition, D. None of above. So the right answer is B. Media Center Edition. A small part of taskbar that has icons of background running application is A. Start button, B. Quick launch, C. Taskbar, D. System tray. So the right answer is D. System tray. Which components appear in the initial Windows startup display? A. Dialog boxes, B. Start menu, C. Taskbar, D. All of the above. So the right answer is C. Taskbar. If your hard disk is partitioned into 3 drives, the number of recycle bin for that had disk in is A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. So the right answer is A1. Fix the date and time display on A. Taskbar, B. Status bar, C. System tray, D. Launch pad. So the right answer is C. System tray. Dash runs on a computer hardware and serves as a platform for other systems to run on. A. Operating system, B. Application system, C. System software, D. All of above. So the right answer is A. Operating system. The dash contains commands associated with the My Computer window. A. Standard menu, B. Start menu, C. System menu, D. None of the above. So the right answer is C. System menu. 39. Dash is the layer of computer system between the hardware and the user program. A. Operating environment, B. Operating system, C. System environment, D. None of these. So the right answer is B. Operating system. When you start up the computer, the boot up storage at which the BIOS version manufacturer and data are displayed on the monitor is called A. Bootstrap, B. Power on self-test, C. System configuration, D. Kernel loading. So the right answer is B. Power on self-test. The operating system is the most common type of dash software. A. Communication, B. Application, C. System, D. Word processing software. So the right answer is C. System. Which of the following is are external commands? A. Edit. B. Label. C. Sys. D. All of above. So the right answer is D. All of above. Which of the following is not essential to shut down your computer? A. Save all open file. B. Close all running applications. C. Switch off monitor. D. Cut off the power supply. So the right answer is C. Switch off monitor. What is Dr. Watson? A. IT expert. B. Diagnosis tool. C. Surgeon. D. None. So the right answer is B. Diagnosis tool. You move a window to a different position on your screen by dragging it by its A. Move handle. B. Tail. C. Status bar. D. Title bar. So the right answer is A. Move handle. Running multiple programs at the same time is called A. Multitasking. B. Foreground tasking. C. Single tasking. D. Systematic. So the right answer is A. Multitasking. What is the meaning of hibernate in Windows XP Windows 7? A. Restart the computer in safe mode. B. Restart the computer in hibernate mode. C. Shut down the computer terminating all the running applications. D. Shut down the computer without closing the running application. So the right answer is D. Shut down the computer without closing the running applications. What do you mean by dialog box? A. Interactive message box. B. Group of options. C. Set of controls. D. All of the above. So the right answer is D. All of the above. 9. Dial-up connection allow you to A. Connect ISP. B. Internet. C. Server. D. All of the above. So the right answer is A. Connect ISP. To properly exit Windows, A. Click the stop button on the desktop. B. Click the exit button on the desktop. C. Select shutdown from start menu. D. None of above. So the right answer is C. Shutdown from start menu. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें. द बेस्ट इज़ येट टू कम.